Alright, Princess.
Okay, Mommy.
You like your costume?
Uh-huh.
Can you say Happy Halloween?
Happy Halloween.
Do you feel pretty? Do you feel like Cinderella? What you doing?
I'm just looking at your light. And the pumpkin.
And the pumpkin? Your crayon falling off? Oopsie daisy.
Yeah. It's running for ant. I'm running for ant.
Alright, say Happy Halloween, Daddy. We wish you were here. That's backwards. Other way.
Like that?
Yeah.
There.
Yeah, good enough. Mommy will fix it. Look at the girl.
I fixed it. What?
Woo. Beautiful princess.
This is kind of like a butterfly. And it matches my pink.
You and your matching. Yes, everything matches.
My pink wings, my pink Cinderella costume. All my friends are going to be big just like me, and then they're going to wear a pink Cinderella princess costume.
Really?
And they're going to take a picture and mind your mommy.
And mind their mommies? Oh. What are you going to do? What are you going to say when you knock on the door?
Say, trick or treat.
And then what, you think they'll give you some candy?
Uh-huh. And my basket. And my basket holder pumpkin. And it's colorful. And it's, where does that say? Oh.
The battles. But look, Mommy forgot the L. So we had to squeeze the L in.
L. And look at, there's the L.
Yeah, but it did just say the Bates. Or Bates.
And I did that. And
That one's yours. It says Happy Halloween.
And that one says, Mommy is going to school.
Is that what it says? Alright. We're going to finish up. Say Happy Halloween. We love you, Daddy.
Happy Halloween, Daddy. And I feel like Happy Halloween.